Yes, you can. This is the engine model. You guys? Yes, this is Weichai, but the engine is belong to 6170 series, and this engine power is 756 horsepower. This kind of marine engine usually for the tugboat, LCD, and or boat. And this engine, it's big, it's good, it's bigger, so you can use for the tugboat and for the city, you can have enough power for your boat. From this side, this engine is flywheel size. This is a new engine. This side, this is the turbocharger. Here is the turbocharger. Also have the cover here to protect this turbocharger. You can see. And for this side here is the engine alternator and the starter. You can see here. We can see here also have the this is also the new design for this engine. This is for the exhaust port before blazer master connection to the outside of the engine room. You can see here. And this one is for you to add your oil. You can open here. Yeah, add. You can see. Here is also for the air filter. Here is the seawater outlet. Here is the fresh water outlet. And here also have the fresh water inlet. We also should be taken care about them. All about this engine, we should protect them. In front of this, you can see this is super engineer. It is has the 6 cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also have the Weichai manhole. Big engine have the bigger oil filter and the fuel filter. This is the engine monitor. For this engine, we also have engine monitor and the remote display. In this side here are the engine documents for it. This is for you for the engine installation. When you install, you should to follow this very important. You need to know this how to install about this engine to protect your engine wear. And here also have the engine in operation and the maintenance manual for you for this diesel engine. That you should follow them to operate your engine wear. We can show you. Here also have the guide you how to operate it. Yes, you may worry about the is other Chinese. Please do not worry. We will help you translate in English. Okay, that's all for the engine. If you want to know more about this engine, please send us an inquiry now.